Friday, Brian Manning here with your weekly update. God, I've been excited to do this video all week because there's so much good stuff to talk about, and I just knew it was going to be a good one, so let's get right to it. First, let's talk about some lending news. So on August 18th, Fannie Mae announced that they're going to allow what's called a property inspection waiver for purchase transactions. And then this week, on August 22nd, Freddie Mac announced the same thing. They will also allow for a property inspection waiver. What does this mean? This means that if you have a purchase transaction and we run the file through the automated system, whether it's Desktop Underwriter or Loan Prospector, it's a good chance that we will get an approval with a property inspection waiver, which means that we don't need an appraisal, which will certainly save the client time and money. So that would be an ability to expedite the process and move up closing dates. So a couple of things, only works for purchases, at least this release. There is always been availability for refinances. We're not going to go into that now. Has to be a primary residence or second home, minimum down payment 20%. So it'll be interesting to see how many transactions we get to work on in the future that don't require an appraisal. Just really great and exciting news. Monday this week, quiet news day, not much to talk about there. Tuesday this week, we got the FHFA. FHFA talks about homes across the U.S. that have conventional mortgages on them, and what are they appreciating? So FHFA reports that these homes have appreciated 6.9% on a year-over-year basis. Great numbers, solid and consistent. Wednesday this week, we got mortgage applications. Really just looking at purchases. Purchase mortgage applications right now are up 8.7%. Again, still in the face of higher rates, almost 0.5% higher compared to last year, and inventory being down, so still seeing a strong purchase market. Thursday this week, we got existing home sales. Existing home sales down a little bit, down 1.3%. Probably due to a lack of inventory, because on a national basis, there's just low inventory. What's amazing as well is the days on market is at 28 days, so still a hot market. Today, big news is really going to be Janet Yellen and Mario Draghi. So let's start with Janet Yellen first. So Jackson Hole meeting, press conference. You know, Janet Yellen really had very few comments on monetary policy. A lot of investors and all of us are waiting to see when they're going to kind of float into this quantitative tightening, or they're going to bail out of their bond buying program. Most of her comments were really on substantial progress towards maximum employment and price stability, and the rest of her speech was really spent defending financial reform. So no indications there as far as when they're going to start bailing out of this. And then probably equally as important at 3 p.m. today, we have Mario Draghi, who's the president of the ECB, so Janet Yellen's position in Europe. Mario Draghi's been known to go off of the speech, talk on his own, so can certainly move markets around the world. Mario Draghi in Europe talking about their version of quantitative easing, which they're currently in right now in their bond buying program, and everyone is wanting to wait and see, are they going to start bailing out of their bond buying program as well and stop investing as much money in bonds? So very important news. Let's watch the markets today, see what happens. This will have an impact on rates as well. I'm around all weekend. If you have any questions, please give me a call. I'd love to help you. I'd love to be part of your business. I'd love to pre-approve your borrowers. Happy Friday. Have a great day.